At this point, I'm going to tell you to stop hiring a graphic design, because take a look at this flyer design. Okay, take a look at this, and also take a look at this, and also this flyer, and also this logo. Believe me, everything was created using AI, and guess what? It is absolutely free with no skill needed. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and teach you how to create any type of flyer and logo using AI. All you need to do is to know how to structure your prompt. I'm going to be taking my time and teach you how to structure your prompt to create any type of flyer also. So what I want for you now is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, you just have to head over to your ChatGPT, okay? So there are two methods in which you can use to create any kind of design, okay? Number one method that I'm going to be showing you is just like a manual method, okay? While the second method is the simplest method. I know a lot of you is going to like that one. I call that one prompt extraction, okay? And I'm going to be showing you these two methods in this video. So first of all, let me first show you the method one, okay? And for you to do that, all you need to do is to describe how you want the flyer to be. Okay, let me say you want to create a restaurant flyer, right? So the way you picture it, the way you imagine it, okay, you just have to go ahead and describe it that way to ChatGPT. You like, if you want it to be white, if you want also food to be there, if you want the font to be this way, like the way you picture it, like if you understand the basic of graphic design, you understand what I'm trying to tell you. All right, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just go ahead, describe everything in detail the way I can picture it. I'll write it in detail to ChatGPT. Then I'll now tell ChatGPT to act as my prompt engineer and optimize the prompt to get a better result. All right, so this is not a prompt yet, but a pre-prompt that we are going to use to get the real prompt. So see how I'm going to do it. So I'll say I want a professional Nigeria restaurant food flyer. Okay, so this is just my description, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, a professional Nigeria restaurant flyer. Okay, blah blah blah. This is just a description. It's not a prompt yet. Okay, so, and if you look very well, I say act as a prompt engineer. After I describe what I want in detail, and I say act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. So with this, ChatGPT is going to act as my prompt engineer and help me to optimize this prompt to get a better result. So ChatGPT is going to give me a detailed prompt. So the prompt that ChatGPT is going to give me, is the real prompt that I'm going to use to create the flyer. Okay, so go ahead and hit OK. All right, as you can see, so ChatGPT gave me this prompt. What I need to do now is to copy this particular one that ChatGPT gave me and head over to any image generating application that I want to use to create my flyer. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. So I'll just have to go ahead and copy it. So for the purpose of this video, for me, I'm going to be making use of Google Nano Banana Pro to create my flyer. You can use Wix. Wix is absolutely free also, okay? You don't need to worry. I'm going to be using both Wix and also Google Nano Banana Pro and compare the result, the one that is going to give us what we actually want. All right, so I'm going to be accessing my Google Nano Banana Pro from Flow. And all the tools that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to be dropping the link to the tool in the description of this video. So new project. So you just have to go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Click this hamburger icon. Okay, the aspect ratio is already on portrait, so I'm going to leave it on portrait. All right, and then go ahead and paste the prompt that we just got from ChatGPT. So I just paste the prompt. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Google Nano Banana Pro. All right, so the flyer has been generated. Look at that. Okay, so look at it. Wow, guys, this is top notch. This is cool. This is what we want. We got it right. You see how amazing this is. Okay, now look at the second one. Wow, I think I prefer this second one. Google Nano Banana Pro gave us two options. You can go ahead and select any one. Although I'm going to be downloading the two, click this drop down arrow to download your flyer, and then 2K, download 2K. All right, and then I'm going to download this one also. All right, so now let's head over to Wix and try this prompt and see what Wix is going to give us. So just come here and search for Wix. Okay. So this particular link, labs.google, this week's labs Google FX. Okay, so that's the link. Go ahead and click it. And I'm going to be dropping the link at the description of this video too. All right, so here we are on Wix. What I need to do now is to go ahead and paste the prompt, select the aspect ratio. It's already on portrait, so go ahead and paste the prompt. Hit OK. Now let's watch and see the result from Wix. All right, so look at the results from Wix. Wow, I think Wix give us the best results. Okay, wow, this is cool. This is nice, guy. Look at that. Okay, look at the first one. Okay, and then look at the second one. Guy, this is top notch. This is what we want. We got it right. I even prefer the results from Wix. Actually, it's top notch. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. So for you to download your flyer, you just have to click this drop down arrow also, and then your flyer will be downloaded into your phone successfully. All right, so what about this one that there is a human there, right? Look at this. Okay, so how do you do this one? Maybe for example, you want to create a flyer that your picture is going to be there, or you are working for a client and then the client wants his or her picture to be on the flyer, or let's say it's a birthday flyer that you want to do and you want your picture to be there, right? So how do you go about that? Okay, and this is how you are going to do it. First of all, let's head over to ChatGPT to structure the prompt again. Same process to get our prompt. All right, so I just come back here to my ChatGPT. So same process, the way I imagine it, the way I want the flyer to be, I just have to go ahead and describe it in detail to ChatGPT also, in order for ChatGPT to help me to optimize the prompt. Okay, so I'm going to say I want to create I want to create a professional restaurant let me say promotional flyer. Okay, using the uploaded image. The reason why I'm putting using the uploaded image is because this particular one, I want an image to be there. So it's going to structure the prompt in the way that I will be able to upload image, and Google Nano Banana is going to help me to put the image on the flyer. All right, so that is why I'm putting it that so this is just me telling ChatGPT that, oh, I'm going to be uploading my image on the AI tool that I want to use to generate the flyer. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do now. So I'm done with the description, and also as you can see, I've also let ChatGPT know that it should help me to optimize this prompt. So go ahead and hit OK. All right, so ChatGPT gave me this prompt, as you can see. So what I need to do now is the same process. I just have to go ahead and copy what ChatGPT gave me and then head over to Google Nano Banana Pro to generate the image. But pay very close attention, because we are going to be uploading an image on this particular one. The tool that is going to give you a better result is Google Nano Banana Pro, okay, or ChatGPT itself. But ChatGPT is going to change the face. If you use ChatGPT, you will hardly get the same face. So I highly advise you to use Google Nano Banana Pro when you want an image of you to be there, or the image of the client, in order for you to get a perfect result. So I'm going to be using Google Nano Banana only to create this one. So go ahead and copy and then head over to Google Nano Banana Pro. So I just come back here to my Google Nano Banana Pro. So what I need to do now is to click this plus icon to bring in the image that I want to see on the flyer. So I'll click the plus icon, and then you are going to see upload. Click this upload to upload the image that you want. But for me, I've already have a particular image here. So look at this guy. So I'm going to be using this guy. I want it to be on the flyer, and then paste the prompt that you just got from ChatGPT and then hit OK. All right, so now let's watch and see. All right, so our flyer has been generated. Take a look at it. All right. Wow, guys, this is top notch. This is what we want. We got it right. I just love the image quality. Like everything is top notch. Look at that. Look at the second one. So look at the first one, and then look at the second one. Wow, guy, this is top notch. And one thing I love is the fact that the guy face do not change. Okay, and that is why I highly recommend you to be using Flow. Okay, use Google Nano Banana Pro to get a better result like this. You see now the guy face do not change. Okay, and the prompt work perfectly. So click this drop down arrow to download your flyer. All right. I will be dropping this prompt on our Telegram channel. You can head over to our Telegram channel to download it if you need it, and you can edit it to fit your own. Okay, check the description of this video and you are going to locate our Telegram channel and a link to all our community. Assuming you want to create a birthday flyer, this is the same process that we just took is the same process that you are going to use to create that birthday flyer. Okay, if you want your image to be there, the same process. All right, and this is basically how to create any type of flyer design using AI. I hope you find this video helpful, right? If you do, please don't just go. This video took me a whole lot of time to create, edit and publish it, so I will highly appreciate if you can just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new to this channel, and share as much as you can. All right, so in my next video I'm going to be working only on birthday flyer. All right, so we are going to be focusing only on the birthday flyer. So you just have to go ahead and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out that important content when I finally drop it.